Hi guys, to make our gentle oatmeal exfoliating scrub, we only need 3 simple ingredients. Oats that repair, moisturize and soothe the skin due to having high levels of antioxidants and their natural anti-inflammatory properties. Glycerin attracts moisture to the outer layers of your skin, helping to keep it soft and supple. And lastly, water, the original hydrator that softens the oats, helping them glide across your skin for a smooth finish. To get the perfect texture, grind your oats into a powder. You can grind your oats yourself either by using a food processor, a coffee grinder like I'm showing you, or keep watching to see how you can use a pestle and mortar. A coarse textured scrub will be more exfoliating, whereas a very fine powder is more gentle and can even be used on your face. This scrub can also be used as a cleanser due to the oats containing saponins that naturally break down oils. Whether you grind your oats by hand or in a machine, both leave you with a beautifully fine texture. Once ground, add the water and glycerin and mix until you have a thick oat paste. Apply the oatmeal scrub by using light circular motions to gently exfoliate the skin. For lasting oat benefits, combine the scrub with my homemade oat moisturizer. The full recipe and tutorial is linked above. Thanks for watching. Click the playlist below to see more of my midweek mini DIYs.